It's still very sketchy, but perhaps this is the first major disruption of the Olympics, a bombing incident in the northwestern border region of China just 4 days before the Beijing Olympics opens in Beijing. The Xinhua News Agency has reported that 16 policemen and 16 others have been killed in a major bombing incident. Apparently, they're calling the perpetrators, rioters. Xinhua said that these people rammed 2 vehicles into the border patrol of the People's Armed Police in Kashi, which is a border city in Xinjiang, and that they threw 2 grenades, which caused the explosion and the casualties. We are trying to verify the information. We just called the Xinjiang Information Office about half an hour ago. They said they haven't heard of the incident yet, but the official news agency Xinhua is already reporting that 16 police and 16 others dead in a very big explosion, 2 grenades exploding in the border patrol post of the People's Armed Police. Max?
And already people suggesting that this is something to do with the local politics of the area, where there's some concern at too much Chinese authority in that area. Just give us the background to the unrest there.
Well, Xinjiang is the northwestern border region of China, and there you have a large population of Muslims, what is called here as the ethnic Uyghur population, and it's a very diverse area, but also very sparsely populated, and yet there are many simmering ethnic issues there. There are a large population there of Xinjiang, but also a lot of Han, the ethnic Han population as well. And there are some groups of Uyghurs who have formed what are called by the Chinese as separatist organizations, asking for genuine autonomy and some even Muslim independence. Max, and these are the kind of groups which the Chinese are fearful of creating such disturbances, especially on the eve of the Olympic Games.